SVSU has just about a little over 200 RSOs, and I am very involved with alternative breaks. Alternative breaks is an option for students to go and help with a service project across the Midwest.
Personally, I'm in Delta Sigma Pi. It's a professional business fraternity. It's taught me how to be professional, how to talk to employers, what employers are looking for, and just some of the ways to be a good professional employee in the workplace.
SVSU definitely gives you the resources and the access to get grants for doing projects that require money. So you definitely have the opportunity there that you probably wouldn't have otherwise. And SVSU does a great job of helping you find those resources.
For freshmen that want to join an RSO, I would say try everything. Even if you think you might not be interested in it, try it out. Go to one meeting, go to one event and see if you like it. If you don't, that's fine, at least you tried it.